barber forbade a war in Aberdeen. He schreef mony a poem. As een abdi keen se boe, vis cried Brus, it minds his are, and into King Robert the Brus, and half it kinda things he got up till. The lead and fit, barber schreef it, is it if it you and I speak. Stories to read are deletable, suppose that they be noch but fable. Learn should stories that so fast were, and they were said on weed manner, hey double pleasance in hearing. The first pleasance is a carpet, and the t'other the soothfastness. It shows a hang recht as it was, such things are liken, till manny's hearing are pleasant. Therefore I would fain set my will, gain my wit, make suffer side till it put in writ a suffer story, that at least stay forth the memory, say that nae time of length it let, nae garret haily be free it, for all stories that men reads, represents to them the deeds of stalwart folk that live it are, recht as they in presence were, the certes they should will hae prize, that in their time were wicked and wise, they lived their life in great battle, that often hard stir a battle, one great prize of chivalry, and were voided to cowardry, as was King Robert of Scotland, the hardy was a heart and hand, and we'd Sir James of Douglas, that in his time say worthy that in a' his lands was renowned at he. Therefore I would fain set my will, gain my wit, mix of us till, to put in writ a suffer story, that at least stay forth the memory, say at nae time of length it let,